To you live from Lady Sweet Savannah, GA, the harbinger of America's, especially Black America's brand new day. Today, a flesh and blood angel was sent my way, representing the Willow Hill Heritage Renaissance Center, and they have a big day for you this Saturday from the innermost skies of blue. Tasting the struggle. Tasting the struggle. The Bible says in Psalm 78, verse 1, don't forget where you came from. Sankofa say, go back and get the stuff that you need. So this Saturday, kick it off at 1 o'clock. This is about your fourth time?
Yes.
I have performed at least 3 times at this event, along with Jamal, Pat Gunn, and other people. I performed last year. I have a friend, his mother, looking forward to go. She just loved to come. But anyway, this is a special invitation to you to come out and find out how it was. They roast a whole pig, and like a whole lot of food, homemade ice cream. And the father, if you would cut his heart, you will find Willow Hill Heritage and Renaissance Center. He's about the most fanatical historian I ever met. And there's a great lecture he gave, the Hungry Club? But anyway, if you can, come. I wish I was there. If you come, I would sing a song for you, write some poems for you. But come out, taste of the struggle. This is part of the healing process. And next year, I expect for this to be 10x, because God's going to raise at least $1 million for y'all, you know. But anyway, this is Sirdeepy III, the Select Nerd, a.k.a. James Lee Frazier Jr. Come out and learn about your history. Do not allow it to be a mystery. For indeed, the Willow Hill Heritage and Renaissance Center was called for such a time as this, to progressively restore our great history's bliss. And as Poker the Pig would say, a big, that's all, folks. Saturday, 1 o'clock, Porto. It's on Facebook. This is totally unplanned, but I'm the man. Shout out to the great family of the Jacksons, your great farmers and warrior. Lastly, in Harlem, at Central Park North, you have 2 gates side by side. One is the Farmer's Gate, one is the Warrior's Gate. And your family of warriors and farmers, and the word Georgia is an agriculture term. It means to farm. Grace, bye.